a total of 58 campaigns.
And spending about 40 to 50K per month. If we truly want to drive more revenue in the back end, we need to determine where the revenue is actually coming from. We've really started to dial in and optimize the campaigns. We increase your ad spend by 83%. Your conversion value has also gone up by 260%. Conversion value per cost of 14.42. Spend has come up, conversion value has come up, but also at the same time, conversion rate has come up by 87%. The volume of conversions is up by 248%, and your cost per conversion is also down 50%. So we're up and down in all the right areas, I would say.
Yeah, absolutely. This month, we've booked more jobs than we ever have in the history of the company and booked more revenue than we ever have.
Dustin, how you doing?
Good, good. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning to you too. You being on a mountain time, which I've never even heard of prior to working with you, and me being on a Gulf Standard Time, another one I'm not sure many people have heard of.
Don't worry, most people in the Eastern time zone don't know where the Mountain time zone is, and that's only 2 over. So,
Dustin, you've been in the mentorship program now for just over 3 months. You also decided to renew and extend your mentorship. You joined initially off of the back of acquiring a company that was quite different to what you were doing prior. So I know it's been a little bit of a roller coaster of sorts, but everything seems to be coming together quite nicely. Would you maybe be able to just give a little bit of context as to that transition and, I guess how everything's been going so far in terms of the business side, and then what led you to decide to educate yourself further with regards to Google Ads?
This company, when I acquired it, the historical track record, it projected more stability than there really was. And it's built on a system of Google Ads. And so the historical revenue, you just would sort of make the leap that it would continue on into the future. And once I got involved after the acquisition, even within the first month, I could see the volatility of it. And there wasn't really any predictable nature to it. First thing that we engaged with, remapping the Google Ads so that it connects to revenue actually produced, was, I don't want to say groundbreaking. It changes the paradigm of how you evaluate this business. It used to just be turn on the ads and hope. And what's the phrase? Hope is not a strategy, like that just never quite worked. So I think we're on a much better path right now, and we're seeing those results.
If you don't mind, I'm just going to give a little bit more context as well to people that don't know. You acquired the business, was it December?
Yeah, end of November. So December 1st of 24 was the first operational month.
Initially with no prior Google Ads experience?
No, and actually pretty limited marketing experience in general.
Yeah, when you acquired it, I don't know how many campaigns there were initially, but I know when you joined the mentorship program, there was at least about 16, maybe more in your current label, right?
18 that were running every day. Total of 58 campaigns, but 18 current ones. So there was a lot of history of trial and error.
And spending about 40 to 50K per month, about 2K a day.
Yeah, that's about right.
And the problem that you highlighted a moment ago, how we then introduced a third-party tool to be able to translate revenue from your back end of the sales team into the Google advertising account, was one of the first things that we implemented, because prior to that, as you mentioned, the whole account was operating around purely on a cost per lead basis, but we weren't able to determine in the back end the quality of those leads, which was essentially everything that I highlighted as the starting point in the audit. Was, if we truly want to drive more revenue in the back end, we need to determine where the revenue is actually coming from, not just what campaigns are driving the leads. And I guess that was where we started. Took a little bit of time for us to actually start acquiring data to be able to then leverage that to our advantage. But I think it's probably at the end of the second month of your mentorship program and in the final month of our 3-month period where we really started to dial in and optimize the campaigns. And a lot of that, I would say, was done by yourself, but with guidance from me as well. Maybe I can talk on just top level some of the numbers, and then you can let me know kind of what impact that's had on the back end of your business. We just look at this past month, the past 4 weeks of working together, May 29th to June 26th. I know I'm not sharing my screen at the moment, but I'll just relay some of the numbers. We increased increased your ad spend from compared to the month prior of 83%. So this month you spent, or during that time frame, you spent $78,000. So a significant increase to what you were spending before. With that, your conversion value that has been tracked inside of the Google Ad account has also gone up by 260%. This is, just to clarify, quotable value off of the back of your leads that we've generated, a conversion value per cost of 14.42. Again, not net, but also quoted value. But these are figures that we never had in the ad account before. And then what we did was we cleaned up all of the keywords, we cleaned up any search terms that were essentially underperforming compared to the average, and really started to double down on what was working and extend your advertising window, which is why spend has come up, conversion value has come up, but also at the same time, conversion rate has come up by 87%. The volume of conversions is up by 248%, and your cost per conversion is also down 50%. So we're up and down in all the right areas, I would say.
Yeah, absolutely. And where that translates to is this month we've booked so far, and there's still several days left in the month, but we've booked more jobs than we ever have in the history of the company on a monthly basis, and booked more revenue than we ever have. So we're seeing those on the back end too.
100%. Well, that has happened, and the month's not even over yet. It just reaffirms that the decisions that we made were the right ones. And I would say that all we really did was just leverage the data, which we weren't able to do initially. And I know how analytical you are. So
maybe to a fault sometimes, but
sometimes it can lead to over-analysis, but
yes,
nonetheless, I feel like we've made a lot of progress. And the most important thing for me has been to try and educate you as much as possible so that you feel more comfortable inside of the ad account. I think the ad account's come a long way, but how do you feel that you personally have kind of evolved during this program?
I am much more comfortable in the ad account, even with just kind of the basic blocking and tackling type stuff of configuring columns, moving columns around to see it the way I want to see it, filtering through the data, comparing it to different periods. As an IT person, I find that the Google interface is somewhat awkward, but I also know that as an IT person, if you use an awkward interface long enough, you'll just get to adapt to the awkwardness of it, and it's fine at a certain point.
I think Google Ads certainly takes some time to get your head around, and I think you'll even kind of like laugh sometimes when we're on a call and I'm trying to navigate and things have moved around, and it makes you feel a little bit more comfortable. They're always changing the interface for no reason, and sometimes when you're on a call, you're thinking, hang on, I'm sure yesterday that was not there. Once you get around that and you get the right data that you need in front of you, I feel as though we can always make the right decision.
It helps to just bring a little extra level of patience with yourself when you're getting into it.
And there's a lot of numbers on the screen, like what we were looking at on our call there. Couldn't tell you how many different columns here set up, and across 11 different campaigns that we're looking at. It can be a bit of a minefield and easy to kind of get lost in the numbers. But I guess truly understanding what each of these metrics are and learning how to use them to your advantage, because that's what it's there for.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. Really appreciate you hopping on this Q&A and giving the feedback. I just wanted to ask one more question. Obviously, your experience is personal to you and your business and what we've been able to achieve. But what might you say to someone who's maybe considering joining the mentorship program that was in perhaps a similar situation to you?
It absolutely has worked out for me, and that's why I've continued on for another cycle. I don't really know what was at the beginning of what I really expected there, but there was, well, like I said earlier, hope's not a strategy. And I was sort of just hoping that this was the right step. And now that we're through that, the changes we've made to the account and the amount that I've learned about Google Ads, I think it just expedited the learning curve. And it's a sharp learning curve. So whatever tool you can find to help smooth out the process of that learning curve is helpful. And then mentorship has worked great for me.
Would you say you feel maybe a bit more in control of the business now, ad spend swings aside?
Yes, but there are so many other areas of the business outside of the advertising. It's like, well, kind of in this space, but we got a lot of problems over here to work on too. But once you get a little control of one area of something, then it's like, okay, I have a stable footing there. Now let's modify and massage this to make that a little more stable and integrated. And we're well along that path.
I think we spoke about this on a previous call, how I'm always fooling myself into believing that I just need to solve this one problem and then that's it. I can relax. I just need to get this done. And then that opens up a can of worms somewhere else. So
yeah, and I think I shared this with you too, was a friend said this in another business we were in. He said, we're 6 months away from knowing if we have a viable business. And he said that for 5 years in a row, always 6 months away.
I don't know why we lead ourselves to believe things, but we still keep on pushing. And I guess that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Well, really enjoyed the past 3 months and looking forward to the next three as well. Thank you for taking the time to give your feedback. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been fun so far. And I know the next phase will be too.
All right. Well, thank you, Dustin.
Thank you.